Learning English is very important today. Many people around the world speak English. It is often called a global language. Here are some reasons why you need to learn English. 1. Communication. English helps you talk to people from different countries. If you travel, knowing English makes it easier to ask for directions, order food, and make new friends. Many people use English as a common language to understand each other. Additionally, when you meet someone who does not speak your native language, English can serve as a bridge, allowing both of you to communicate effectively. This ability to communicate across cultures is invaluable, especially in our increasingly connected world. It enables you to share ideas, experiences, and cultures with a diverse range of people. 2. Education. Many schools and universities use English for teaching. If you want to study abroad, knowing English will help you understand the lessons better. Many books and research papers are written in English too. Learning English can open doors to better education opportunities. Furthermore, many prestigious scholarships and exchange programs require proficiency in English. By mastering English, you can access a wealth of academic resources, participate in global academic conferences, and collaborate with students and researchers worldwide. This can significantly enhance your academic and professional prospects. 3. Job opportunities. Many companies look for people who can speak English. It is often a required skill for many jobs. Knowing English can help you get a better job and earn more money. Many international companies use English for business. Moreover, being proficient in English can lead to promotions and career advancement, as it shows you have valuable communication skills. In many fields, such as technology, finance, and customer service, English is the primary language of communication, making it essential for career growth. It also opens up opportunities to work in different countries and in multinational companies. 4. Technology. Most of the information on the internet is in English. Knowing English helps you use websites, apps, and gadgets more easily. Many online courses are also in English. This means you can learn new skills from the internet if you know English. Additionally, many software programs and coding languages are developed in English, so understanding English can help you navigate the tech world more efficiently. It also enables you to participate in online forums and communities, where you can get support and share knowledge. This can help you stay updated with the latest technological advancements and trends. 5. Travel. When you travel, English can be very helpful. Many signs, maps, and instructions are in English. If you get lost, you can ask for help in English. It makes traveling more fun and less stressful. Besides, English is commonly spoken in tourist destinations around the world, so knowing English can enhance your travel experience by allowing you to communicate with locals and fellow travelers. It also makes it easier to understand cultural nuances and customs, making your travels more enriching. You can enjoy your trips more when you can interact with the local culture. 6. Culture. Learning English helps you enjoy movies, music, and books in English. You can watch popular TV shows, listen to famous songs, and read best-selling books. Understanding English helps you enjoy the culture from different parts of the world. Furthermore, many cultural phenomena, such as international film festivals and global music awards, are conducted in English. By learning English, you can participate in these cultural events and appreciate the creativity and diversity of artists from around the world. This exposure to different cultures can broaden your horizons and enhance your cultural understanding. 7. Internet and social media. Most social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter use English. If you know English, you can connect with people from all over the world. You can make new friends and learn about different cultures. Additionally, being able to read and write in English allows you to engage with a vast amount of content, including blogs, videos, and podcasts. You can join discussions, share your own ideas, and build a global network of friends and followers. This connectivity can provide endless opportunities for personal and professional growth. 8. Science and medicine. Many scientific and medical terms are in English. If you are interested in science or medicine, knowing English is very important. You can read the latest research and understand new discoveries better. Moreover, most leading scientific journals and medical publications are written in English. By mastering English, you can stay informed about the latest advancements, participate in international conferences, and collaborate with experts from around the world. This knowledge can be crucial for anyone pursuing a career in science or medicine. 9. Business. Many businesses use English to communicate with clients and partners from other countries. Knowing English can help you in business meetings, writing emails, and making deals. It can help your business grow and succeed. Additionally, many multinational corporations conduct their operations in English, so being fluent can give you a competitive edge in the job market. It also allows you to understand and follow global market trends, helping you make informed business decisions. Effective communication in English can be key to building successful international business relationships. 10. Confidence. Learning English can make you feel more confident. It gives you the courage to speak in public and express your ideas. It helps you feel more comfortable when talking to people from other countries. Furthermore, mastering a new language boosts your self-esteem and sense of achievement. As you become more proficient, you'll find it easier to participate in discussions, give presentations, and engage in conversations, all of which contribute to your personal and professional growth. This confidence can positively impact many areas of your life. 11. Learning other languages. Once you learn English, it can be easier to learn other languages. English has many words borrowed from other languages. This can make it simpler to understand and learn new languages. Additionally, learning English improves your overall language learning skills, such as grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. It also exposes you to different linguistic structures and patterns, making it easier to pick up additional languages in the future. Knowing multiple languages can open up even more opportunities. 12. Understanding news. Many international news channels broadcast in English. Knowing English helps you understand global news. You can stay updated on what is happening around the world. Furthermore, being able to access news from various sources in English allows you to get a more balanced and comprehensive view of global events. This helps you make informed opinions and decisions, and stay aware of issues that impact the world. It also allows you to participate in discussions about current events and global issues. 13. Making friends. English helps you make friends from different countries. You can join online groups, forums, and communities. It is fun to share experiences and learn from people from different cultures. Additionally, being able to communicate in English opens up opportunities to participate in international events, travel programs, and cultural exchanges. 14. Improving your skills. Learning English can improve your listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. It also helps you think more clearly and logically. These skills are useful in many areas of life. Moreover, mastering English enhances your cognitive abilities, such as problem solving and critical thinking. These skills are transferable to other areas such as academic studies, professional work, and everyday interactions, making you more effective and efficient. Developing these skills can also help you succeed in other areas. 15. Entertainment. Many popular games, movies, and TV shows are in English. Knowing English helps you understand and enjoy them more. You can play games with people from other countries and watch movies without subtitles. Additionally, understanding English allows you to appreciate the nuances and humor in entertainment media, making the experience more enjoyable. You can also participate in online gaming communities, discuss your favorite shows, and share your thoughts with a global audience. This can make your entertainment experiences richer and more interactive. 16. Personal growth. Learning a new language is a challenge, but it is also very rewarding. It helps you grow as a person. You become more open-minded and understanding. It helps you see the world in a new way. Furthermore, the process of learning English involves setting goals, practicing regularly, and overcoming obstacles, all of which contribute to your personal development. It also broadens your horizons, exposing you to new perspectives, ideas, and cultures, enriching your life in countless ways. The skills and habits you develop can benefit you in many other areas of life. As you can see, there are many good reasons to learn English. It is a valuable skill that can help you in many ways. Whether it is for travel, work, or personal growth, knowing English can make your life better. Start learning today, and you will see the benefits soon. Additionally, by committing to learning English, you invest in yourself and your future, unlocking numerous opportunities for success and fulfillment. The journey of learning English may have its challenges, but the rewards are well worth the effort. You'll find that it opens up a world of possibilities and new experiences. Subscribe to this channel if you want to improve your English skills, stay updated with the latest content, and join a community of learners from around the world.